what is this, Sammy? This is the basketball. So if is it 3 tokens, sir? Is it 3 tokens? Or 2?
Yes,
Go on, I'll give you 2 because you know what? You're just not Sig, man. You're not just a 6, and you didn't 6, 7 in the night. So 3, 2. Yeah, that was surely in. If not, I'll do it again.
You went.
Yeah, hang on, I'll do it again. Yay! Don't get
Sammy's turn.
Oh, sorry, you missed.
Right, where are you going?